Imagine stepping into a dreamy tea party setup. Delicate teacups, charming floral arrangements, and an enchanting table that looks straight out of a storybook. Sounds magical, right? But how do you actually create that elegant, picture-perfect tea party setup? Stick around because I'm about to reveal the most creative, budget-friendly, and stunning tea party decor ideas that make your event unforgettable. How can you create the perfect tea party atmosphere with lighting and decorations? The right lighting and decorations can turn a simple tea party into an enchanting experience. Soft and warm lighting. Use fairy lights around trees, fences, or table edges for a dreamy glow. Place tea light candles in glass holders for a cozy vibe. Hang lanterns or paper parasols for a whimsical effect. Hanging decor and banners. Drape pastel or floral bunting across your party area. Use hanging teacups or small floral chandeliers for a unique touch. Hang sheer fabric or lace curtains to create a vintage tea room feel. Seasonal and thematic additions. Add autumn leaves or pumpkins for a fall tea party. Use fresh blossoms and butterflies for a spring-themed gathering. Place Christmas ornaments and warm-toned accents for a holiday tea party. Want more creative party decor ideas? Check out the playlist in the description. How can you DIY budget-friendly tea party decorations? Introduction. You don't need to spend a fortune to create a stunning tea party. Just a little creativity. Handmade centerpieces. Use old teapots or mason jars as floral vases. Create a rustic table runner with burlap and lace. DIY paper flowers or origami butterflies for an elegant touch. Repurpose decor items. Paint and distress old furniture for a vintage look. Wrap empty wine bottles with fairy lights for an enchanting effect. Use old books as decorative elements to elevate your table. Personalized touches. Create DIY party favors like homemade tea blends. Print and frame vintage tea advertisements for wall decor. Use handwritten menus or chalkboards for a charming aesthetic. Want to know where to get some of the decor from this video? Check the description. How do you arrange a cozy seating area for guests? Your guests should feel comfortable and relaxed while enjoying their tea and conversation. Elegant outdoor seating. Use vintage wrought iron chairs with floral cushions. Arrange picnic-style seating with blankets and floor cushions. Hang a canopy or parasol for shade and elegance. Indoor seating with a touch of luxury. Incorporate velvet chairs or decorative ottomans for a royal feel. Add soft throw pillows in pastel shades to match the theme. Set up a small side table with extra tea essentials for easy access. Creative seating chart and name tags. Assign seats with handwritten place cards. Use small teacup charms or vintage keys as personalized tags. Arrange seating near a fireplace or window for a cozy ambiance. For more inspiration, check out similar videos in the description. What are some unique ways to serve tea and refreshments? Presentation is just as important as taste when it comes to a tea party. Make your tea and refreshments as delightful as the decor. Signature Tea Station. Offer a variety of teas displayed in labeled glass jars. Use elegant teapots with coordinated sugar bowls and milk jugs. Provide honey sticks, lemon slices, and edible flowers for a personalized touch. Stylish serving trays and stands. Arrange finger sandwiches, macarons, and scones on tiered stands. Use vintage trays lined with doilies for a classic feel. Offer unique treats like floral-infused chocolates or edible gold-dusted biscuits. Themed drinkware and accessories. Serve tea in mismatched antique cups for a charming effect. Use glass teapots with blooming tea for a visual treat. Provide fancy stirrers, golden teaspoons, or tea strainers as little take-home gifts. Don't miss out on more elegant party ideas. Subscribe for more inspiration. What final touches make a tea party extra special? Little details go a long way in making your tea party unforgettable. Themed music and ambiance. Play soft jazz, classical music, or nature sounds. Use a vintage record player for a nostalgic touch. Have a live acoustic performance for an elegant affair. Fun activities and games. Organize a hat decorating contest for guests. Offer a DIY tea blending station. Play classic parlor games like charades or poetry readings. Take home gifts and memories. Provide customized tea bags or mini honey jars as favors. Set up a photo booth with vintage props. Give out handwritten thank you notes for a personal touch. Ready to create your dream tea party? Don't forget to check the description for all the items seen in this video. What are the must-have elements for a stunning tea party table setup? Your table is the heart of your tea party, where guests gather, sip tea, and admire the aesthetic. Here's how to make it truly eye-catching. Elegant tableware and linens. Choose a color-coordinated tablecloth and napkins for a polished look. Use porcelain or fine china teacups with gold or floral accents. Include tiered serving stands for an authentic high tea experience. Beautiful centerpieces. Arrange fresh flowers in vintage teapots or mason jars. Use candles or fairy lights for a warm, intimate ambiance. Add unique elements like pearls, books, or decorative bird cages. Personalized place settings. Write guest names on elegant place cards. Use vintage spoons or unique napkin rings to elevate the look. Offer customized tea bags as a cute party favor. Which table setup idea is your favorite? Tell me in the comments below. Your tea party's theme sets the stage for everything. Whether you want a classic English tea, a whimsical Alice in Wonderland vibe, or a modern minimalist aesthetic, classic vintage tea party. Use lace tablecloths, pastel florals, and delicate china. Incorporate antique teapots and candle holders for a timeless touch. Soft classical music in the background enhances the elegant ambience. Whimsical and fairy tale theme. Opt for mismatched teacups and quirky decor like floating keys or playing cards. Hang fairy lights or colorful bunting for a magical effect. Add themed elements like a Mad Hatter's hat centerpiece or a drink me sign. Modern chic tea party. Keep the color palette neutral with gold accents for a sophisticated look. Use geometric decor pieces and minimalist floral arrangements. Serve tea in sleek glass teapots with gold-rimmed cups for a luxe feel. Loving these ideas? Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends planning a tea party. And there you have it. With these decor ideas, your tea party will be as elegant and enchanting as you imagined. Which idea are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you love this video, be sure to subscribe for more magical event ideas.